Beachfront hotel recommendation in Boracay. May swimming pool, may sariling beachfront restaurant. May common area na pwedeng mag-exercise, maglaro, or pwedeng tumambay lang. At free ang airport transfers. Welcome to Coast Boracay sa Station 2 ng Boracay. Ang ganda ng location, tapos nabook lang namin to sa Klook for as low as 6,400 pesos. Good for 2 persons na with free breakfast. At may extra discount pa pag ginamit mo yung Klook code ko na WonderJKlook for 5% discount. And yes, tama yung narinig mo, libre ang airport pickup kapag nag-check-in ka sa kanila. With welcome drinks pa. Tara, room tour tayo. Ito ang deluxe room nila, a 25 square meter room na may 2 comfortable bed, mini bar, free bottled water, TV, cabinet, mini fridge, safety bolt, at sobrang spacious ng toilet and bath nila. May shower, hair dryer, toiletries at sleepers. Meron silang 2 pools, isa pang adult at isa pang bata. May tambayan area din sila kung gusto nyong mag-exercise, maglaro ng ping-pong, PS4, or simpleng mag-relax lang. Kasama sa booking namin ang free breakfast sa restaurant nila na Chachas Restaurant. May masarap na food selection at perfect view ng White Sand Beach ng Boracay. May mga day beds din sila dito na libreng gamitin kapag nagstay kayo sa Coast Boracay. Kaya kung gusto nyo ng beachfront, family-friendly, free airport transfers, at accessible na stay dito sa Boracay, Coast Boracay ang perfect choice. This is Wonder J. Follow for more travel tips.